How to find your Wi-Fi connection QR code and download it. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find a downloadable QR code on your Wi-Fi network. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up settings. And once you are on your settings menu, what you need to do next is go ahead and tap on connections. From your connection settings, tap on Wi-Fi. From your Wi-Fi network, tap on the settings icon or tap on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. Then in order to find the QR code, you can find the QR option at the bottom left corner. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now once you provide your fingerprint or your passcode, it will show you the QR code for your network. You can find the save image option at the bottom, and you can also share it with other friends. You can tap on quick share to quick share your password as well. I'll just tap on the save as image option, which will save the QR code as image, and you can share it with anyone you want. And that's basically it. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.